Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh a frozen Mate desktop. So now before I begin, and I said this in the XFCE video, you have to understand, this isn't like if your desktop is completely unusable and your mouse doesn't work and you can't do anything. That's not what we're dealing with here. We're dealing with if the panel is unresponsive and frozen, so you can't access anything. You know, clicking on the Firefox button like I just did doesn't work. The menu button doesn't work. Nothing works. That's what we're dealing with here. Or if the window manager is broken and not responsive, we'll deal with that as well. So the first thing we're going to deal with is the panel. So you can refresh the panel simply by doing kill all Mate panel. Now, if you do this right, it should automatically restart itself, given a couple seconds. And there you go, and that'll refresh your panel. If it doesn't come up right away, you can always just do mate-panel in the terminal along with and then you can run a disown command, but it should just automatically respawn. So that should take care of that. Once again, just do kill all mate panel or mate panel, however you want to pronounce it. Give it a couple seconds, it'll refresh it with you a brand new panel which is ready to use. The window manager, same thing. You can replace the window manager. So you can do Marco -- replace and run an and sign at the end, and that will completely refresh the Mate window manager and desktop. And it'll give you a little bit of a weird thing going on here for a couple seconds, but then it will start working again. Now this is what you want to do if you see a broken window session, and once you enter this command here, it's going to do a refresh, and then you can just press enter here, and then you can do disown. And your window manager is perfectly ready to use. So once again, to replace the window manager, do Marco -- replace and. Don't worry about the black screen the way it looks right now. It's just refreshing and redoing everything. Just give it a couple seconds and it will come back, refresh your wallpaper and all of that. As you can see, it's pretty broken right now, but it's coming back. So anyways, guys, that's how you can fix a frozen Mate panel. I hope this was helpful. I know when I'm using it, my Mate desktop panel freezes up, and also if you're dealing with the window manager crashes as well, that's how you refresh that. That's just how you can get your Mate desktop back in order. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.